Alright, so this is the iTel Rs4 and this is legit a gaming smartphone from iTel. You might just want to comment, iTel make gaming phones? How good is it? What are the specs on paper? Well, the iTel Rs4 was launched on the 6th of April 2024 and we're going to be talking about the iTel Rs4 in this video. With that being said, let's begin.
I don't really care, I'ma be a trillionaire like
The dimensions of the iTel Rs4 is around 8.2mm thick. It weighs around 198 grams or roughly 200 grams. It has space for dual nano SIM card, including a space for an SD card, which is very nice, and that's pretty much it for the body.
Look at me, I'm about to be rich.
The iTel Rs4 has a 6.56 inches IPS LCD display, 720p resolutions with 120Hz refresh rate. Dear iTel, it's Dominion Aldo. Please, I feel it should have been better if you made the iTel Rs4 a 1080p display with at least 90Hz refresh rate, or even this 120Hz refresh rate you made. I mean, it should have been better, like way better. I mean, even if it should cost a tad higher or a bit higher than the 201,000 naira price, it should have still been better. I mean, the iTel Rs4 is still a very great smartphone, don't get me wrong. The iTel Rs4 runs on Android 13 with the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate, which is a very capable processor. This part is very straightforward. Now, it's either you have the 128GB variant or you have the 256GB variant. The RAM is actually either 8GB of RAM or 12GB of RAM, and that's what we have for the iTel Rs4's memory. This part is always the most exciting part for me, the cameras. The iTel Rs4 has a 50MP f1.6 main lens, which can shoot videos at up to 2K 30 frames per second, or if you want to cut it down a bit to 1080p 60 frames per second. The selfie camera can also shoot 2K 30 frames per second at the max, which is very great. I mean, seeing an iTel device can shoot 2K is, it's a very welcome, improvement. Talking about the cameras, here are some footages taken by the iTel Rs4. Hey guys, so this is the audio quality and also the video quality of the iTel Rs4. What do you think about the iTel Rs4? Do let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it. This is the audio quality and the video quality. The iTel Rs4 has an okay 5000 mAh batteries, which is very strong. I mean, it lasts me over a day, at least for the period of time I've been with this smartphone. It has a 45W charging brick in the case, which is very fast. It also has bypass charging, and what that means is that this smartphone would be powered by the charger and not the battery. I mean, you wouldn't be charging the batteries when you're using the smartphone. That's very good if you're gaming. I mean, your phone wouldn't be hot. It wouldn't make your phone hot. That's basically it. The iTel Rs4 was advertised to go from 0 to 80% in 30 minutes, which is very great. I mean, I tried it out and I think I was able to charge this phone from 24 or 20 something percent to around 100% in, I think, an hour or so, which is very great, honestly speaking. The iTel Rs4 has a side-mounted fingerprint which works just okay. It's not bad at all. It has a stereo speaker, which means it has a speaker at the bottom here and a speaker at the top right here. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, the Type-C charging port, and the speaker, of course. This smartphone is NFC enabled and it has 3 color variants: the silvery white, which is what we have here, the elegant beige, and the Lorex black. The iTel Rs4 is priced at around €100, $134 or 201,400 naira. So would you be getting the iTel Rs4? Do let me know in the comment section. Let me also know what you think about this smartphone. Have you been using one before? Have you gotten one for yourself? Have you bought this smartphone for anyone? Have you seen it with anyone before? Let me know in the comments. Let's chat in the comments. Thank you very, very much for watching this video, and I'll see you when you see me. Alright, honestly, so in case you're wondering why my voice is like this, or I am very, very tired. I came back from a program from Apostle Edu, and this is the time now, after 12. That's when I'm shooting this video for you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, do all this good stuff. It's not really easy. In case you are still wondering, this is the setup. This is basically in the night. I'm literally telling you it's in the night. You guys are probably sleeping right now, and your boy is recording content.